Have you ever wondered why most people create content easily while some other persons struggle to do the same thing? A friend of mine asked me the other day, Mr. Nis, how do you get your stories? How do you get the composure? She was in front of the camera stuttering, trying to say something that would make sense to pitch her idea and then connect with the audience that she was actually trying to get their attention. And all of a sudden, behind the camera, I started telling her, okay, say it this way, don't use this word. And she was like, wait, Mr. Nis, how do you come up with all these lines in just a short period of time? I started laughing. I told her, I think it's a gift. That's what God gives to human beings. So we all have our own gift. For me, I'm good in that. Not like I'm perfect yet, but I'm evolving. And then also, I'm a consumer of content. I don't watch every content online. 80% of the videos YouTube will suggest to me must be educational. Then it must be people I love and respect. The same with my Instagram handle. When I open my Instagram to browse, I don't go to search all the time. I usually stay on the feed where they recommend content for me. And 80 to 90% of the content Instagram, Facebook recommends to me are the content I love, I choose. And if they send me anything by the algorithm, I say, I don't want this. Why do I do that? Because I want to control the way I consume content. I want to own it. I want to make sure that they're not feeding me, but rather they are serving me. These are two different things. People come online and they get what? Served. Some other people come there and platform feeds them. So you go to your feed and they'll give you everything and you consume it. So I told this lady, because I've been intentional about all these things, it is easier for me to say, Facebook, I don't want this. YouTube, I don't need this. This is what I want. Why do I need them? Because they are things that my customers are looking for. Customers are looking for, how do I compose myself in front of the camera? How do I pitch my idea? How do I sound mature? How do I sound this way and that way? And that is my work. So I put myself in this customer's shoe or the customer's avatar. Study what they ought to study. Make researches on their behalf. So when I walk into their space, I know the lines, the way they should put those lines to get people's attention. And then, whenever I'm watching or flipping through content on YouTube or Instagram, if ad pops up, I don't usually stop the ad or skip it. I want to see, what is this person pitching? How are they pitching it? How can I read this? Is this making sense or is it not making sense? Most of the time, I even go to people's profile to dig out more about these persons. Because if you're running ad on Facebook or any platform, there is a reason why you're running the ad. I want to know the reason. I want to know your offer. I want to know if this offer is good or not. So I have taken my time to master my craft, and that is being in front of the camera. But I wasn't this good when I started. Let me take you back the journey lane. It was 2021 when my wife, who then was my fiancée, so my fiancée visited my office in Abia State, and she finished shooting her video and she told me, you too, you can shoot a video. I said, no, don't go. Don't tell me that I can't talk in front of the camera. She told me, no, Mr. Nis, I'm saying you can shoot the video. You can go in front of the camera. I told her, Mama, I don't want to do that. I can't do that. I don't know how to speak. But inside me, as I was arguing with her, I knew, like I knew my name, that I can talk in front of the camera. I can pronounce things, but I just have this withdrawal in me that's telling me, you are not good. You can't say it. People will laugh at you. People will not watch you. Just 2021, and then this is 2025. Looking at myself now, talking in front of the camera, I don't care if people are going to watch this video. I don't care if they're not going to watch it. I am doing what I need to do. And here we are today. I can comfortably talk in front of any camera today. I'm telling you, yeah, I may just feel that initial withdrawals, but the moment I start talking, bro, it's a wrap. I have to say what I want to say. I may be wrong. I may say things the wrong way, but who cares? Everybody makes mistakes. I have been behind the camera for so many characters, for so many individuals, and I watch them fumble, make mistake, yearn, lose breath, scratch their nose, all because of they're trying to put themselves out there. If you own a business, one of the biggest assets you will have is your ability to convince people, your communication strategy. And part of your communication should be fluency in front of the camera, and fluency and constructive sense, or being able to share your opinion irrespective of how other people will perceive you. My name is Mr. Nis. I'm on a mission to help 1 million individuals build their personal brand. If you don't know more about me, follow me and you get to know more. And if you want to ask questions, send a DM or leave a comment below. I personally will reply you. Thank you for watching today's video, and go out there and create a content for yourself and for your business.